In this short lecture video, I'll go over how to navigate the course for Accounting 600 for summer 2021. When you log into Blackboard, you can see that each week I'll have announcements posted here. And for these announcements, I'll send you reminders on upcoming due dates and also the objectives for each week. And if there's anything else that's important to notify you of, I'll make sure I post that in the announcements section. Next, under course schedule, you can see the schedule for this summer session. In particular, you can see that this course is going to last about 6 weeks. So for each week, you can notice that the week starts on Monday. So for example, week 1 starts on Monday, June 28th, and it ends on Sunday, July 4th. So all of the assignments are going to be due on Sundays. So you can see here, for example, for July 4th, which is the first Sunday that is coming up, we have the icebreaker discussion, weekly write-up, and the week 1 discussion that's going to be due. For each week, you can click on the week's link or folder. So for the first week, I'm going to click here, week 1, start here. When you log into Blackboard, only week 1 will be showing. But at the end or towards the middle of each week, I'll roll over the next week's material. So for week 1, you can see here the objectives that we have for the week. And then also listed are 3 deliverables. So 3 things that are going to be due are the week 1 discussion, the icebreaker discussion, and the week 1 write-up. And you can see everything is due on Sunday, July 4th at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time in the United States. Okay, so for each week, I'll have a number of different things that you can look at. There's going to be a lecture video. So if you click here, it'll take you to YouTube, and there will be a lecture video which you can add subtitles to, or it already has subtitles, I should say. If you want to watch the video in a different language, you can change the language, and it'll generate subtitles for you. Each week's lecture video is based on notes that I go over in the video. You can get a copy of the notes here by clicking the link. Okay, so you can see we have 4 different things in a week. We have the lecture video, and then in this week we have 3 different assignments that are going to be due. The first thing is the discussion. So if you click on the week 1 discussion, you can see it'll take you here. Okay, the key to the discussion is to post 4 times per week, okay, which is actually not as difficult as you might think, because here I have some questions, so you can answer the question, and then during the week other people will answer the question as well. You can respond to other students. If you want, you can create a new link and add your own question. Just make sure that when you post 4 times, your posts are going to be substantial. So for example, if you say, I agree, or good idea, period, that's not really going to count as a discussion post. So the discussion post should incorporate material that we learn for the week, and it should be substantial. So it should be at least 3 to 4 sentences, or about a paragraph minimum. Okay. So again, here's another question that I posted. So for the discussion, make sure you post 4 times. You can answer the questions I posted. You can generate your own question, and then you can answer or comment on the posts of others. Also, you can see that we have an icebreaker. So for this, if you click on the icebreaker, okay, make sure that you introduce yourself, and you can add a picture. So I did that here. I added a picture of myself. I have a short description of who I am, and talk about an ethical dilemma that you faced. Okay, so that's going to be also something else you can do. Okay, and all of the instructions that you need are going to be listed for you here. Okay, finally, in the first week, we have a weekly write-up. So if you click on the weekly write-up, it'll take you to here, where you can upload your submission. Okay. You'll notice that for the week 1 write-up, the instructions are a Word document. So if I click on the Word document, we have the week 1 write-up instructions. Okay, so you can take a look at that and then post. Okay, finally, we have a paper and exams, so you see links for that. I'll mention more about this later on as the semester continues. But I just wanted to give you an overview of what the course is going to be like, how to navigate the course, how to get started the first week. And then after that, every week after that is the same. So in week 2, we have readings and videos, and then we have a weekly discussion and a write-up. Remember that all of the assignments are going to be due on Sunday at 11:30 Eastern Time in the United States. So that wraps up this short introduction. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.